Hello, I'm Dr. Samanthi Vikramarachi, the lab coordinator for physics at VCU. I welcome all of you to virtual physics labs. So as you know, due to COVID-19, our classes with larger enrollment is running online for fall 2020. So as the major class being online, we have to take our lab portion runs online as well. Again, welcome to virtual physics labs. So virtual physics labs kind of sound awkward for most of us. However, don't worry, we have had taught these classes over the summer online, and we got a lot of good feedback from students. And I think we have learned a perfect way to run these labs online. So in this short video, I will show you the resources available on Blackboard and the procedure of the lab classes. Well, if you are taking Physics 101, that's Foundation of Physics, then Physics 103, that's Elementary Astronomy, then Physics 201 and 202, that's University General Physics 1 and 2, then Physics 208, that University Physics 2. For those lab classes, we will be using Blackboard as our LMS, the Learning Management System, and also we need Zoom for class meetings. Well, let me share my screen with you and I'll show you an sample Blackboard page showing you each piece that's available for you. All right, so under my courses on your Blackboard page, the view might be different for you depending on what's the arrangement you have on your Blackboard. Anyway, under my courses, you should be able to find your lab Blackboard page or the class Blackboard page. So for example, if you are in Physics 201, you should be able to see a Blackboard page like this one. So if you already, as you have already enrolled in these classes, you might have received emails from us welcoming to the Blackboard pages. Anyway, if you didn't find it, this is how you could find it. So under my courses, you should be able to find your class. So again, if you are in Physics 208 lab, then the course is listed as Physics 208 L00 2024. Just open that class. So it should be in there. If you don't see your class, let us know. So we will add you to that class. Well, for example, let's open the Physics 201 Blackboard page. So once you open that, you should be able to see a page like this one. So under the tabs on the left side, you should be able to see announcement. So this is where we will be communicating with you. We will create announcement and most of the time we will email you as well. And there you can see the syllabus. So once you open that, let's open it and see what it is in there. So you see the class syllabus and the general laboratory policies. So this is very important for the lab class. Please open that and read it before you coming to the first lab. And then under here, you can see the schedule of the labs. So we will be meeting 11 days for the semester for the labs. So we are doing 11 labs, 10 to 11 labs throughout the semester. Schedule is available here. Make sure to check that and make yourself available. And also you have access to an information sheet with creating digital files. So as you know, you have to submit the lab reports online through Blackboard. So you need to know like how to create a proper digital file. So this is the information for you. Please read and follow the instructions when you are creating digital files. Then next tab is the Zoom meeting link. So when you open that, here's the introduction, how to join to a Zoom meeting. And over here, you can see a whole bunch of class meetings. You don't need to attend all of these. You are attending only for your enrolled lab section. So by next Monday morning, you will see all the meeting URLs or the Zoom meeting IDs. So to join the meeting, for example, let's say you want to join the Thursday 10 o'clock lab, as you enrolled in that section, that's Physics 201 42. So you just click on this link, or you can go to this website, zoom.us/join, and type the meeting ID that's available here. So don't mess up. You need to use your own lab section meeting ID, and the lab instructors will be available on Zoom at this particular time only. So you need to join those Zoom meetings for your lab meetings. Well, attending lab meetings are required. So you are required to attend the Zoom meetings for your enrolled lab section. You are not allowed to attend to another lab section variously. Please attend to your particular enrolled lab section. So this month, this coming week, that's week of August 24th, we are looking forward to seeing you in your enrolled lab section. If you don't know which section you are enrolled, check your e-services and you can find the lab section number. From there, you can find out which time its class meets, and over here you can come to the Zoom meeting link and you can find the class section, the instructor's name, and the time it's meet, and the URL for the Zoom meeting, and also if you need, meeting ID is there. So this is very important. Check this link and make sure you have the information to join. These Zoom meeting IDs or URLs will not change over the semester. It will be the same. But however, before you join, just come over here to this tab and check the meeting ID before you join to a meeting. Then under here, that is most important one, that's where we will have lab assignments available. Currently you have a survey for, it's called the lab survey. This is where we are seeing whether you need a lab partner or not. We prefer to have lab groups of 2 to 4 students in a group. In the class meetings, your instructors will divide you into groups and you will be working with your colleagues in groups. So it is really productive way of running labs, because in a lab, group work is really important as well. So if you don't prefer to be in a lab group, let us know. If you like to be in a lab group, let us know and we will accommodate you in there depending on your requirements. So please go over there and do the lab survey as soon as possible for you. And also you can see the lab schedule again here. So just to make sure that you are attending to all the labs for the whole week, for the semester. So it's there. Currently, these are the things that you will be seeing, but in the future, so let me exit from my student preview so I can see my version of the Blackboard page where you can see the assignments that's coming up for the future. So under lab assignments, you will see assignments. So all the labs are designed as an assignment over here. It's easy for us to grade and to enter the grades on the Blackboard. So for example, on the first day, on the introduction day, we will be working on some Excel practice for 201 and 207. So you'll be seeing a document like this one. And in the next week, the following week, the lab 1 will be describing motion. So you will see the lab manual in either PDF version and the Microsoft Office version, I mean Microsoft Word. So you can either use any version, either use PDF or the doc version. We will prefer you to use the Word version and type your answers in there and save it as a PDF and submit the report. That's the best way to do it. However, if you have the PDF editor, you may use the PDF version of the lab manual and type your answers in there and save it as a PDF and submit it. Or you can print the lab manual right in there and scan, save it as a PDF again and submit. Just in case if you don't have any facility, just open this one, write your answers nicely as a digital file. Please read the instruction for creating a good digital file and create your lab report and submit through the Blackboard page. So once you are ready to submit the lab report, what you have to do is you have to click on the title, and then it will take you to a lab report submission page where you can attach your lab report and submit. So you can browse your computer and find the file that you saved or the lab report, and then you can submit. Let's see whether I can do it. I am a preview user, student preview user, so I'm not sure whether I can able to. So let's attach a PDF file and submit. Yes, I can submit it because I'm in the student preview version, but you should be able to submit that once the lab assignments are open. So this is how it's run. So once you submit your lab report, it will pop up on you will get a confirmation on the Blackboard saying that you have submitted the lab report, and it will share with your TA through Blackboard, and it will be graded within a week. and you will see the grades available on the Blackboard. And if you want to see your lab instructors comments or the grading, you can click on the assignment again and you can access to the graded lab report. Well, you will get more information in the first introduction labs week. So please attend the Zoom meetings, find your Zoom meeting links at the link I mentioned. And I hope you will have a good experience doing these labs. So basically we will be using simulators to run the labs. And in some places we will be sharing videos. Also, maybe we can show you some real equipments that we will be using in the labs and give you full experience of labs. So don't worry, you will get the full experience of doing these physics labs and developing your skills. So that is the most important part, right? So anyway, so if you have any questions, please email us. You can email me or your lab instructor. All of us are here to help you and get you through this semester. Well, I'll see you around in the Zoom meetings. Again, if you have any questions, please email me. Thank you.